gosh, this is the amazing fries I ever tasted. Dang, Shrimp is even beginning on it. And he usually doesn't even eat.
Mako.
Mako.
Get at the pot.
All these cheese is so nasty.
Taylor, did you know I'm a YouTuber?
Oh.
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh.
I hate Layla YouTuber vlog video.
All this cheese. So nasty.
Mako, why are you so scared of cheese?
Yes.
Like, bro,
These
these
three
students
right here.
eat
Yes.
all the corners. You gotta get out and eat that cheese,
I want one country fried chicken
Dang it, I didn't get any bacon. I want bacon. I want a recall.
and or double.
Shake.
Your two sides is good. This broccoli and cheese casserole. Taste it, don't go home.
Yeah, and it's come with the white grape, it's fine.
I don't like it.
You ate some cheese?
Yeah, it's good. Now,
good,
I
bro.
want the country fried steak.
It's come with the white grape, it's
Oh
fine.
yeah, that's what I like.
And it's come with two sides.
The broccoli, cheese casserole, and gravy.
Gotcha. Then now,
And what you want, Taylor? I want the grilled shrimp Alfredo.
it's come with broccoli, it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like that.
No, all the bacon's good.
No, yes ma'am, yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. We got everybody in the family here. Okay, go get your face out of the screen.
Thank you so much.
No.
The bread? Okay, I got you. Of course.
Even got
Let me
family.
give the order and then I can order it, okay?
We're just chilling.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and different foods. Squeeze into this tiny shirt, my big bag has no room. Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Big bag, 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 big bag. Might just eat a Big Mac, might just order DoorDash. Big bag, big.
Let's not say different, please. Tiny shirt.
Monica, do you have enough toothpaste to do all the stuff?
Amen.
My tiny shirt, but my big bag can't have
here.
no room.
You know what Malika always say, chilling like a villain, willing to make a killer, you feel me? No, I'm playing.
You too much.
You too much.
Not that
Big
forehead.
bag, big.
She said big bag. Big bags. I hope you got that camera over here. She said big bag. Big
Big bag, big bag, big bag.
Why you ain't talking about it? I'm finna get on your level.
Actually, I got the camera over here right now. Big,
Look at mama, ayy.
big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag.
What's big about me?
They go for anybody else.
I'm not talking about your I'm not talking about your bicep. I'm talking about this stomach thing.
What's big about me? I'm only
What's big
thing
about
that's
you?
big is these muscles.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. He doesn't even take a shower.
What you gonna show up right now?
He made a skinwalker, has a lot of bumps on his face, barely even shades the hair on
Y'all see that?
his hairy
if I really
leg.
go off,
Oh my god!
but if I really go off, I'm being wrong, right?
Actually, you could go off anytime. Go off anytime. I don't care.
Curse words too? You doing curse words too?
No.
Girl, open up that window.
Big back,
Are you
big
doing curse
back.
words too?
No. Big back, big.
Not Layla.
I can just imagine.
Now if I really go off, I'm gonna be in the wrong, but I'm gonna be a good person.
Alright.
I'll go out, call her back.